gonna rock the Creator Stage at Toycon PH 2017 later at 4 p.m. 2 p.m. sila Will Dasovich, Baninay Bautista, and Jaco De Leon, and also Alodia. 4 p.m. naman kami mga emerging YouTuber. Yeah, we're excited. Sobra. Mag-church muna tayo, pampalakas guys. Siyempre, pasalamat tayo kay Lord sa lahat ng mga blessings, especially yung blessing namin today. Grabe, that was so refreshing. Iba talaga when you have a community of people tapos sabay-sabay kayong nag-lift kay Lord ng mga concerns ninyo. Tanggal stress. Ako tanggal stress siya, parang na-stress. Hindi, iba naman yung reason yan. Medyo napuyat kalab ko.
Oo, tsaka may naamoy yata akong something dun.
Hindi kaya itong damit ko kasi bago siya. Hindi ko pa nilabhan.
Sorry, tsura.
It's okay, maganda pa din.
Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinihintay.
Yun. Alam niya na mga guys ha. Anyway, this is one of the most exciting days of our lives as YouTubers! Mamaya babawi yan si Bobby. Pagdating sa station, energy yan. Mamaya mawala din yan. So see you there! Ang na-expect ko kanina, from the car, pagpasok ng video na to, is makikita nyo puro toys. Pero hindi. Dahil nagutom agad si wife, so syempre samahan ko siya. Nag-text na si Joanne, dumating na yung grocery namin. Dapat kahapon yung delivery, kaya lang sa taas ng demand ng order sa kanila. That's why yung schedule na pinili namin na gabi, na-move today, o 11 a.m. na. Yes, although we chose that kasi nga, gabi na lang kami dumating kagabi. Follow them on Instagram, pushcart.ph. We'll put the link down below. We can conveniently enjoy this event because of you guys. Somebody's taking care of our grocery. Ang sarap, diba? Hi guys, can I disturb you for a while?
No problem.
Yeah, nice meeting you. He's Greg Size. Yeah,
Hello,
my
what's going
goodness.
on?
It's the voice behind.
Beast Boy, yo.
And
Michelangelo, Booyakasha! And Iron Fist, the monster.
thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Will Chong, finally we met you. Just Alodia. I think this is your cutest cosplay so far. Yeah, Vanilla in the house.
1, 2, 3.
This is so cool, guys. Grabe, may the force doing that.
Punta ako sa bahay niyo, wala ka na.
You don't read your messages. I called you a ton of times. I messaged you, and then yeah, come on, you gotta.
That's Vanilla.
Hindi nagbabasa ng text.
This is Brett Maverick.
Oh, the ate ate.
He's the newest.
Nag-walk out.
Oh my goodness. Gotta do it to win.
Ang danda nila eh.
Na lang tayo mo.
So we now enter the hall kung saan gagawin yung creator stage. Yes. We just met the mom of Alodia. Super nakaka-inspire. Kaya na marami siya tinitingnan. We're thinking, is she also a celebrity, a character of a certain movie, ganyan. Until nakausap namin siya ngayon. Super na-inspire kami kasi that's what we would like us to do sa mga kids namin. Parang we would like to see our kids doing what they would like to do and we just support them. Super inspired kami. So we're gonna be up on the stage in a while. Yeah! Basically, what we're gonna do is just the same with yung ginawa ng Vlog Squad kanina. That's RJ. Yeah. Excited. At the same time, kinakabahan ng konti. So, sayaw-sayaw muna.
Find out more about how to break into the vlogging industry and online.
Any pressure right now?
Toycon Top Life Fan.
Because my family,
Toycon
my
Top Life Fan.
mom is a vlogger.
At sa lahat ng gusto matutong mag-vlog, we're very privileged right now to have the members of the community of YouTube Vloggers Philippines. At the start, you vlog about different things and over time, nahahanap mo yung inyong hilig or passion.
So kami naman, diba? Kasi I think we're the most unique among the group kasi we're a family vlogger. When we go home to our kids, we just wanted to share the joy of seeing their smiles. Eventually, it became like a repository of the family videos, our dates as a couple. And then when people started reacting to our family vlogs, we realized that there's a deeper purpose. Kasi parang a lot of those people our age are afraid to get married, afraid to become parents. So we just want to share the joy of becoming a couple.
So joy of family, joy of parenting yung lumalabas sa inyo.
Yes.
Alright, up next we have Binibini 10, Pia Wurzbach.
What's good about vlogging is that we don't really teach, it's just a matter of sharing.
Sharing na lang. So, mas sharing importante, it's not teaching. At yung sabi ko kahapon when you were doing this discussion, mas gusto pa yung mga tao, mas raw yung itsura. Hindi mo kang pinag-aralan or studied or very edited. Tama ba ako dyan?
Yes, actually, that's correct, RJ. If you're gonna watch our channel, you'll see her without makeup.
Okay. Paano yan?
Like, pagising sa kama, good morning, guys!
Okay. Hindi ba kayo natatakot or kasi syempre pag nag-vlog kayo, a lot of your privacy disappears. Like, how do you handle that one?
Yes, when it comes to our kids' privacy, you just have to set limits. Like, we don't put our address, contact numbers, or other information about us na private naman talaga. If they need to contact us, like for example, if someone would like to collaborate with us or would like to send us something, we communicate via email.
Okay. What have been the best practices to build audience and at the same time look for content?
I think yung mga natutunan namin, it's really to just start, that's number one. It's really gaining that courage to start a video. It may fail, it may flop the first time, pero don't be afraid to try over and over again.
And now it's time to find out our winner.
And then next is focus on your strengths. Kasi you have something that's uniquely your own. Parang sometimes kasi, of course, it's okay to draw inspiration from other vloggers. Pero more than anything, it's really the uniqueness about you that people celebrate.
Siguro, one tip lang is that just start with what you have. And when you see with what you have, the equipment, the story, like as you can see right now, I'm using my phone. We're now on our 3rd month of vlogging. And still, yes, I'm using my phone and I'm planning to stick with this phone probably until I reach 100,000 subscribers. I don't know. But yeah, because it's already good. Same thing goes with your story. If you have your family, you vlog about your family. If you're a student, you vlog about schooling. Because at the end of the day, people's gonna watch you.
For the sharing, not so much for the learning, but for the sharing.
Yes.
Okay, that's what I picked up on.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, thanks so much. How can they join YouTube Vloggers Philippines?
Just search for it on Facebook. It's YouTube Vloggers PH. Tapos nakaparenda says Philippines. Last time I checked, kanina, like 1,002 members na kami today.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank
Great
you,
job
guys.
building community. Stand up, please. Let's all go here on stage so we get a photo.
Yeah! YouTube Vloggers PH!
Always supporting our channel.
Rick Ramos, grabe! May tell you something. Ito talaga yung reason sa sobrang energy ng vlog namin kasi so pinanood namin yung vlog na sabi ko parang may mali sa vlog natin. Then after that, yun na.
Do you want this moment to last forever in history? Recorded on that ancient device. Oh, we're recording now! We're a Phil Lamb comic book studio.
And just like that, another day has to end. Pagod pero super saya. We're so privileged to be part of this big event, the biggest convention actually na natin namin for toys. Thank you for inviting us here. And sarap, agandang treatment. We had a blast actually, sobra super enjoyed. Highlight of the day is our first time to talk as YouTubers on stage, no?
Toycon has been running for 16 years. This is already the 16th Toycon, pero I didn't expect it to be this big. Sobrang galing ng mag-organize nito.
Sobra. Salute to you guys, lahat ng Toycon. Staff and admin, lahat na nag-organize nito. Super galing. Good job. Kudos to you guys. And also, doon sa mga na-meet namin celebrities, if you happen to be watching this video, thank you for being so nice and so kind, especially mga fellow YouTubers namin kanina. Yeah, thank you guys. And although we had a stage kanina para mag-share ng mga things about YouTubing, One thing, no, that people are asking about pero hindi namin usually nakukwento, ano ba talaga yung secret namin? Bakit in 3 months time lang we were able to fly ng, well, hindi naman talaga gano'ng kalaki, but for us, that's really a lot. No? By this time, we already have like mga 2,600 subscribers, which usually a normal YouTuber would get that, ano pa, mga 5 months, 6 months, yung mga gano'n. Yeah. Of course, aside from the good contents, aside from sa mga pag-endorse namin ni Baninay, sa mga pag-collab namin with fellow YouTubers, ang secret talaga guys is just really, it's because of God's grace talaga.
Thank you God kasi dinala niya sa amin yung mga tamang tao. Dinala niya sa amin yung YouTube, Vloggers PH.
Yes.
Dinala every person na dumaan sa buhay namin para mag-grow yung YouTubing.
Yung career namin sa YouTube,
It's really not because of us. It's really because of God's grace.
yes, at the end of the day, is really God lang na binibless kami.
Mga sipag, tiyaga, at pananampalataya.
Iyon, nadali mo.
This is not the first time that we spoke in a crowd, pero iba pa rin yung experience dito sa Toy Con.
Yeah.
Kasi this is the very first time we're speaking as a couple.
Right, yeah,
and
sobra.
as a YouTuber. So,
Yes.
isang malaking privilege.
So with that, guys, thank you so much, ToyCon PH 2017, and see you at the ToyCon PH 2018. Goodbye!